This is gonna be fun! Let's fill this paper bomb with water! Done! Watch out! This is so cool! Huh? Uh-oh, I'm so sorry!
It's all good. Can I try?
Sure!
Thanks! Water in the hole! Bullseye!
Another day at school.
Huh? Looks like someone made a huge mess. New rule. Bad grade for anyone with a messy desk. What?
Oh no! Gotta clean up fast! Ugh, where did all this stuff come from? Huh?
Check out my new organizer. Look, it's got a spot for literally everything. You just pop it in like this, and all set. Cool, right?
Not bad. But all I have are these sheets. Ugh. Is that a unicorn? That gives me an idea. Take a sheet and fold it lengthwise like this. Now fold the other side. Perfect. Add some glue. Stick it together. Now fold it crosswise. Add more glue here and secure it like this. First compartment done. Now add some yellow. And other colors too. Awesome! It looks like a rainbow accordion. Let's put it in a white cover. And draw some cute eyes with eyelashes. Now let's make a smile and rosy cheeks. Great! Let's work on the top. Add a sparkly horn and ears. Finally, decorate with a crown of flowers. And the unicorn is ready! Wow, it's so pretty! It'll help me keep things tidy. Let's try filling you up. I'll arrange everything by color to find things easier. Awesome! Oh, left the ruler out. Darn, it's too big. Bye-bye then. Do you like it?
Wow, cool! So how do you do? All organized, desk clean.
Mine too.
Excellent. You both get A's. High five! Phew! Just made it! I'm ready for the math test.
What? Good luck!
Huh? Why did you bring paint? Well, let's start the drawing class. What?
Looks like someone got mixed up.
Can't be. I grabbed the wrong textbook? Oh. Hey, can I borrow a sheet?
All right. Here you go.
Thanks. Got any paint?
No, that's mine.
Fine then. I'll check the backpack. Let's see what we've got here. Vitamins? What am I supposed to do with these? Eureka! Got an idea! Take a sheet and cut it like this. Now draw some lines. Do it from all sides. Perfect! Add some glue. Fold it like this and bring all the sides together. Now take the vitamins and keep just the packaging. Cut out each compartment separately. Great! Apply glue here. And secure it like this. Insert the rest. The palette's ready to be filled. Start with orange. And add more colors. Plenty! Great! Take the right brush, and done!
Did you make that yourself? Wow!
Now let's test it out. Let's start. Seems to work.
Really? I gotta try too. Let's see what you can do. Really works well.
Take that!
Stop, you meanie!
Same to you! Ooh, give me that!
Hey!
Hope you don't mind if I use this. Uh-oh. It broke. Say goodbye to your pencil.
You'll regret that. Oh, this is your notebook, right?
Don't do anything bad to it.
Too late!
How dare you! Well, your eraser is mine now.
Oh no! Please, read it!
What about it? So it's your favorite eraser?
Oh my!
Not so fast. Ha! Look at your eraser now.
Why'd you do that?
Oops. Guess I went too far. I'll fix it. Cut out paper and make a compartment like this. Great. Now apply some glue. And fold. Now wrap the eraser like this. And insert it here. Perfect. Add some color. And style it up. Like this. Add a kitten. And there! Hello Kitty eraser cover ready. Hey, check out what I've got.
What? Wow! Cool! This is so cute! Thank you! Sorry about the notebook. Here you go.
Wow. Thanks, I guess.
Anytime!
Come on! Oh, what's this?
Like it? I drew some fruits.
That's awesome! I'll give it a go. First, I'll draw the shape like this. Now add some color to it. Oh yeah! And done! Well, it turned out so-so.
Alright, I'm outta here.
Wait!
What?
Teach me?
How do I do that? Oh, I got it! First, draw these dots. And turn them into little oranges. Now add glue. And make a cylinder. Seal it and apply the stamp. Soak in the right colors. Perfect. Close with a lid, and fruit drawers are ready. This should help you.
Thanks! Wow! I'll start with an orange. Let's see how it works. Wow! And now the rest. Cool! It's turned out super! Look!
Got skills! Not again! What's up?
I dropped my backpack!
And?
My notebook was in it! It's torn! Maybe I can fix it? I'll tape it like this. Done! Ah!
Stop! Give it to me!
What? Fine, here.
Look! First remove this nanotape from here. Like this. We'll use it differently. Take this piece and add smaller pieces to it. Great! Attach like this, from all sides. Now take a container with slime and add glitter. Mix it well, like this. Transfer the slime to a container. Ugh, so sticky! Done! Take more nanotape and seal it well. Add the same shape on top, and insert a few mini sheets in the middle. Decorate a bit. Aw, and done! There you go! Look!
Huh? What am I supposed to do with this?
Try opening it!
talking about? Wow! Actual sheets? Let's try! It worked!